Today, let's make delicious Thai-style konjac noodles. Prepare the ingredients listed above. Peel the shrimp and then make a slit along the back. Boil for 3 minutes, then remove and place in ice water. Score to cuts in the tomato and soak in boiling water for 5 minutes. After peeling, cut into dice. Heat oil in a pan and stir-fry the tomatoes. Once softened, add boiling water and cook for 2 minutes. Mix well. Place Soeos Konjac Noodles in a bowl. Add shrimp, lemon slices, sauce, and tomato soup. Mix well. Alright, our delicious Thai-style spicy and sour konjac noodles are ready. Sour and spicy with chewy konjac noodles. So tasty.